I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Discord Snipe bot. To begin, you'll need to choose a reputable bot from a trusted source, like a bot list website. Once you've found one, click its invite link. Ensure you have administrator permissions on your Discord server to add the bot successfully. Grant the necessary permissions during the invitation process, typically including message reading and sending. After selecting your bot, click its invite link, which usually takes you to a Discord authorization page. Here, you'll choose the specific server you wish to add the bot to from a drop-down menu. Carefully review the permissions requested by the bot. Ensure it has permissions like read message history and send messages to function correctly. Avoid granting unnecessary administrative access. Once the bot is in your server, you'll use its specific prefix, often a symbol like an exclamation mark, to issue commands. Common commands include setting a Snipe channel where deleted messages will appear. You might also configure the bot to ignore certain channels or roles. Explore the bot's documentation for a full list of customization options to tailor its behavior to your server's needs. To ensure your Snipe bot is working correctly, simply send a test message in a configured channel and then delete it. The bot should then display the sniped message. If it doesn't, double-check the bot's permissions and ensure it's online. Some bots offer advanced features like image sniping or logging edits. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.